Are you tired of hunting through Salesforce for the right place to store your data? Learn to create a custom object in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the 7 simple steps from opening Object Manager to saving your new object. Let's get started. Start by clicking on Object Manager in the Setup menu. Then click on Create, which opens a drop-down. Now select Custom Object from that drop-down. In the new Custom Object form, type a label name for your object. Then provide a plural label name, which is used in lists and reports. Now enter a description of the object's purpose to help other users understand it. Finally, click Save to create your custom object. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.